everybody, my name is Chandra and this video is about association rule, and this is the last video we have in the data science. Uh, okay, so let's see what is association rule. In this video we have an agenda of how to mine association rule and how to apply the confidence difference criterion and also a confidence quotient criterion. So let's look at this. So firstly we have a mine association rule. As we can see the definition, mining association rule is a popular technique in data mining to discover interesting relationship between variables in large data set. It's commonly used in market basket analysis to find a relation between item purchased together. So let's consider it. Associate rule mining is a data mining technique, first of all, used to identify relationship between items in a data set. Okay, it's commonly used in in the market basket to understand the customer behaviors, customer buying behavior. So we need a support that is the frequency of occurrence of an items in a data set, and the confidence of we need a confidence the probability that items B or A will be purchased given that time, given that item C is purchased. Okay, so the ratio of the confidence of the rule to the expected confidence if the items were independent, so that is called a lift. And there are a step involved. Similarly, you have to data prepare, and then you have to see the frequent items and generation that you can use with algorithms like Aperior algorithm or FP growth algorithm, and then you have to generate a rule. Okay, so generate association rule from the frequent item set, and calculate support confidence and lift for each rule that we have discussed before. Okay, so this is the mind association rule. Let's have a look at a practical example here. So we have a panda, we are importing panda, and we have created a simple data set. This is converting data frame, and this is a function to generate frequent item set, and this will generate larger item sets. Okay, we have a variable here which will be stored to get the initial item set. It will be converted into dictionary. So we are looping here in the items one by one, and we have a conditions to get the mean. Okay, and we are turning the frequent items, and you can pause your video and watch it carefully how we are uh, generating frequent items. So basically the funda is getting firstly we have to get the frequent item sets. If this is very clear to you, then let's go to the another that we have to generate the rules. So this is the function to generate the rules. You can also watch it, which is also looping 2 times, and this will return the rules. So in this rule set we have returning the antecedent and the consequent and confidence. Okay, so now we will generate a frequent item set like minimum suppose 0.6. Frequent item set we got from the appy from this function frequent item set, and this will generate the confidence. This will generate the rules. So we have a frequent item set and minimum confidence that we will pass into this function, so it will give the association rules, and after that we will print it. So let's see. Yes, we can have this milk expired after 3 times, 4 times, 3 times. Let's look at this. Milk has 3 times, very for now. This is good. Okay, now let's see confidence difference criteria. So what is confidence different? You can see the definition here. It is used for associational mining to filter and select rule based on the difference in confidence between the rules and its sub rules. Okay, so it is also a technique in associational mining to identify rules that have significantly different confidence level. Okay, significantly confidence level compared to the overall average confidence. It helps to uncover interesting and potentially actionable insights from the data. So first we have to calculate the average confidence, okay, from the all rows in the data set, and then we will identify those with significant confidence difference. For each rule, calculate the absolute difference between its confidence and the average confidence. Okay, then we will interpret the result. So we have also an example for that. So that is a confidence difference criterion. So we are using the same example here. This is we are generating the items, and that's the same logic. For that we are again generating association rule, and this is how we are gonna create the confidence difference. You can also use the different libraries you can explore. I will mention in the description if I found any libraries related to this, so you don't have to see. Okay, function. So basically it's taking rules, frequent understanding, minimum confidence difference, and filtering the rules. So the filters will be returned from that, and after that we are again doing the same things. So let's see what is the filtered association. There's no association rule for that. I don't. Yes. Good. Okay. Let's look at the another confidence. This is the confidence quotient criterion. So it is used for association rule mining to filter and select rules based on the ratio of the confidence of the rule to the confidence of its subrules. Also, this is also identifying a more interesting and significant rule. So okay, so the confidence quotient criterion is a technique used in association rule mining to identify rules that have a higher confidence. Okay, then expected based on the individual item frequency. It helps to uncover also a strong and interesting relationship between items. So in this we have also have to calculate the expected confidence. Then we have to you can uh, get it by using the intersection process of using A intersection B. Okay, in this sets, and then you have to calculate the confidence quotient. Okay. Divide the actual confidence of the rule by the expected confidence, and then set a threshold or minimum threshold or minimum threshold in this case, and then select the rules. So let's look at this. We have an example here, confidence quotient criteria. So I hope this is also running. So simply we have this particular code here for that purpose. Now let's generate it. Okay, we again don't have any association rule for this. I don't know why it's that, but we made something mistake out of it. Let's change the value. Don't have rules here. Okay, I'll check the code. If it is good, I will update in my repo, so you don't have to worry about it. Okay, so by applying the confidence quotient criterion, you can identify a strong and reliable association rules that can help businesses make informed decisions. Okay, so thank you for that video. Sorry, thank you for watching this video, and I hope you will like it. So thank you so much.